So I made an electrical device called an electroscope. And what that is, I'll show it to you here, is an electrical device that detects electric charges. So I have a spouse that is an electrician, and he provided the copper wire and the electrical tape. I have two little kids who like straws, so I have a straw. And I have a kitchen, so I used two little pieces of aluminum foil. Now, if this is done correctly, oh, and I have a mason jar. If it's done correctly, I will be able to show you. There we go. That the leaves should spread apart with some charges. So I'm rubbing a regular ruler on my shawl, and I'm going to bring it to the middle. How am I going to do this? There we go. Oh. It's working. It's working. It's working.